In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill out 1095 a form on TurboTax. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in TurboTax, what to type, and how to confirm everything is correct so your health insurance information is properly reflected on your return. First, have your Form 1095A from the Health Insurance Marketplace in front of you. This form reports the health plan you enrolled in, the monthly premium amounts, the second lowest cost silver plan, and any advance payments of the premium tax credit. Make sure you have every page and that the information is clear and complete before you begin. Open TurboTax on your computer or launch TurboTax online in your browser, then sign in. From your tax home, open your current tax return. If you're brand new to TurboTax, use the link in the description to access TurboTax and begin your return, then follow along from here. Head to the federal section and then choose deductions and credits. Scroll to the medical area and look for the Affordable Care Act entry for Form 1095A. Select Start or Update. This is the dedicated spot where TurboTax gathers marketplace coverage details so it can handle the premium tax credit math for you. When TurboTax asks if you received Form 1095A, select Yes to move to the entry screens. Now enter the information exactly as it appears on your form. That includes the marketplace identifier and your policy number, followed by the monthly details. Carefully enter the premium amounts, the second lowest cost silver plan amounts, and any advance payment of premium tax credit amounts, month by month as shown. Keep an eye on zeros and blank months. Type what's printed on the form and avoid estimating. Small typos here can change your credit calculation, so double-check each column and each month before continuing. TurboTax will automatically calculate your premium tax credit based on what you entered, along with your income and household information elsewhere in the return. Review the results on the screen and answer any follow-up health insurance questions to ensure your credit is accurate. It's normal to see your refund or amount due change at this stage because the program is reconciling the advance credit you received with the credit you actually qualify for. Finally, review all of your 1095A entries one more time against the form. If everything matches, continue through the remaining steps to finish and submit your return. Save a copy of your return and keep your 1095A with your records for your files. Thanks for watching.